Welcome to Sweet Mind, your ultimate destination for insightful advice on relationships and personal growth. In this video, we delve into the fascinating world of high-value women's texting and uncover the secrets behind their effective communication strategies. If you're looking to enhance your dating experiences and establish meaningful connections, you've come to the right place. Don't forget to show your support by liking this video and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content. In the realm of modern dating, texting has become a key method of communication. High-value women understand the importance of leveraging this tool to showcase their self-worth, establish boundaries, and cultivate genuine connections. They recognize that texting is not just about exchanging messages, but also about conveying their values, intentions, and overall demeanor. Less is more, valuing time and actions. High-value women prioritize their time and understand that excessive texting can dilute the quality of communication. They refrain from engaging in constant text conversations, particularly with men they have yet to meet, or those who prioritize texting over making real-life plans. They recognize that actions speak louder than words, and they place greater importance on a person's effort to spend time together, rather than engaging in superficial electronic exchanges. Texting as a pacing tool. High-value women utilize texting as a means to pace the progression of a relationship. They are mindful not to invest too much too soon and allow the other person to reveal their true intentions and level of commitment. By setting a slower pace, they can better gauge a man's interest, as his reactions and consistency over time will provide valuable insights into his character. This approach helps high-value women distinguish between those seeking a genuine connection and those simply looking for attention or entertainment. Anticipation builds attraction. One of the most powerful techniques employed by high-value women is the creation of anticipation through texting. They understand that by leaving space between interactions and not constantly being available, they build intrigue and curiosity. When they do engage in texting, their messages are flirty, light-hearted, and captivating, fostering a sense of excitement and anticipation for the next encounter. By withholding constant communication, they cultivate an atmosphere of mystery that fuels attraction. Reciprocating effort. High-value women reciprocate the efforts of those who demonstrate genuine interest through texting. They respond to men who invest time and energy in getting to know them. However, they also maintain their self-respect and refrain from pursuing someone who becomes inconsistent or stops initiating contact. High-value women understand that if a man is truly interested, he will make consistent efforts to keep the lines of communication open. Timing of texts, respect and space. A key aspect of high-value women's texting habits is their consideration for timing. They respect their own time and that of the person they are communicating with. They refrain from texting during work hours, important engagements, or personal activities. They understand that a delay in response does not necessarily indicate disinterest, but rather acknowledges that both parties have lives outside of their phones. This respectful approach helps foster an atmosphere of understanding and consideration. Sexting, moderation and connection. High-value women exercise caution when it comes to engaging in sexting. They recognize that prematurely delving into sexual conversations can create unrealistic expectations or lead to a shallow connection based solely on physical attraction. Instead, they choose to establish a strong emotional bond before exploring more intimate discussions. Sexting, when used in moderation and within the context of a deeper connection, can enhance anticipation, ignite passion, and strengthen the bond between two individuals. And that's a wrap, my fellow mind explorers. You've just delved into the fascinating world of high-value women's texting. Remember, true power lies in striking the perfect balance between availability and mystery. So go forth, embrace your worth, and let your texts radiate confidence and allure. Until next time, keep texting like a high-value champ and remember, you've got the power to create the relationships you deserve. Stay mindfully awesome.